Hi, dear viewers. Welcome back to English Funda Kolkata. I am your Amit sir. Now I am going to discuss spoken English practice session with the students of Bright Abacus Singur under Crosswind Abacus. Today we are going to discuss about past tense. So, before going to start today's practice session, I want to introduce with the boy who are going to participate. Boys and girls who are going to participate, the students. Okay, first introduce yourself.
My name is Navneet Pal. I read in class 6.
Okay.
Hello guys, my name is Dr. Sidula. I read in class 5. My name is Swarnabha Chatterjee. I read in class 4. My name is Srijani Mukhopadhyay. I read in class 5.
Okay. So today we are going to discuss which tense? Past tense. Past tense, how many kinds? Past tense, how many kinds?
4.
Four. What is them?
Past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous.
Okay. So, in case of past indefinite, what will come first? Subject, MV2 plus object. Past continuous,
Subject plus
HV.
plus
HV was where?
HV was where plus
MV
ing plus object.
object. Past perfect tense?
Subject HV
Had. Yes.
plus MB3
Plus.
plus object.
Okay. Past perfect continuous tense?
Subject plus had plus been
Subjects plus had been plus
object
MB
plus
ing
plus MB plus ing plus object.
plus time, particular time. Okay. So, we are going to start. আমি অঙ্কটি কষেছিলাম. Which tense it is?
I do the
আমি অঙ্কটি কষেছিলাম. Do কেন?
I did the
Some. Yes. Next, past continuous what will be?
আমি অঙ্কটি কষিতেছিলাম.
কষিতেছিলাম বা কষছিলাম. ওকে.
I was doing the sum.
Past perfect tense.
Past perfect.
বাবা আসার আগে আমি অঙ্কটি কষেছিলাম. বলো.
I
I had
done
the sum.
the sum before father
Came. Past perfect continuous tense. আমি
I
এক ঘন্টা ধরে অঙ্কটি কষছিলাম. I had been doing the sum for an hour. Okay. Now I am going to start with you in a different way. That is, I'll ask you Bengali. You will try to give the answer in English. Okay?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
ঠিক আছে? এখন বাংলাটা বিভিন্ন টেন্সে বলবো পাস্টের, তোমাদের কোন টেন্স এবং কি হবে বলতে হবে. ঠিক আছে? রেডি? আমরা বাজারে যাচ্ছিলাম.
Past
Past continuous tense. Okay, tell. We for was.
we were going to the market.
Yes. বাবা আসার আগে আমি একটি ছবি এঁকেছিলাম.
Past perfect tense.
Okay, tell.
I had drawn a picture before father came.
Very good. তুমি আমাকে একটি ছাতা দিয়েছিলে.
Past indefinite.
বলো. Give no, gave.
You gave
Gave me an umbrella. সে আমাকে একটি গল্প বলেছিল।
past perfect tense.
না, past indefinite.
Past indefinite tense.
হ্যাঁ, tell. He
He
was not. Tell এর past form told. He told me a story.
he told me a story.
ছেলেগুলি মাঠে ফুটবল 1 ঘন্টা ধরে ছেলেগুলি মাঠে ফুটবল খেলছিল।
Past perfect continuous tense.
বলো, টেল।
The boys had been playing
The football নয়, the boys had been playing football for an hour. শিকারী বাঘটিকে মেরেছিল।
Past indefinite.
হুম
The hunter killed the tiger.
ছেলেটি মিথ্যা কথা বলেছিল।
Past indefinite.
হুম
The boy told lie.
told a lie.
Told a lie.
হ্যাঁ, সে আমাকে একটি চিঠি লিখছিল।
Past continuous tense.
ভেরি গুড, বলো।
He
was
was writing a letter
to me.
to me.
Yes. আমি তার নাম ভুলে গিয়েছিলাম।
Past indefinite.
I
Forgot
his name. শিশুটি 10 মিনিট ধরে দুধ পান করছিল।
past perfect continuous.
টেল।
The baby had been drinking milk for 10 minutes.
ভেরি গুড। শিক্ষক মশাই ক্লাসে ঢোকার আগে ছেলেরা গোলমাল করেছিল।
Past perfect tense.
হ্যাঁ,
The boy noise in
the boy ছেলেরা had
the boys had
noised
in
the class
before teacher
came
came.
before teacher came. বৃদ্ধ লোকটি 1 ঘন্টা ধরে হাঁটছিল।
Present past perfect continuous tense.
হ্যাঁ,
বৃদ্ধ লোকটি
the old man
the old man
was walking for
an hour.
yes. So dear viewers, this is the way how you have to practice spoken English to make more fluency. I hope this video will help you a lot, and if you like this video, please
Like, share, subscribe
our channel
English
Fanda Kolkata. Till then,
Goodbye.
see you again.
Next video.
Thank you.